Over time, car headlights can become cloudy, yellowed, or hazy due to oxidation, reducing visibility and compromising safety. Thankfully, you don't need to replace the entire headlight assembly. Headlight restoration kits offer a cost-effective and easy solution. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 best headlight restoration kits available, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and value to help you bring back that crystal clear shine. All product links are in the description box. Let's dive in. Number 5. Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer. The Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer, $20, polish uses a straightforward approach to removing years of oxidation from headlight lenses. They formulated a polishing compound that performs brilliantly at restoring lens clarity without calling for a lot of time and effort. The chemists at CG also included a UV blocker to slow down the aging process caused by exposure to the sun, running through automated car washes and abuse from outside elements. Our time with the Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer compound revealed it is not a super aggressive polish and works best at removing light oxidation and minor imperfections. If lenses are cloudy and yellowed from neglect, sanding the lenses with 500 grit and 800 grit sandpaper is recommended before polishing. Power tools aren't necessary to get good results, but your arms will thank you later. The formula incorporates a fully synthetic wax sealant that bonds to polished polycarbonate. Lenses. This creates a clear coat for protection against harsh UV rays that yellow and haze plastic over time. Chemical Guys predict the protectant will last about 3 to 4 months. We'll report later on how long the sealant will last before a quick touch-up is necessary. Another feature we liked was how Headlight Restorer micro-abrasives work great at removing fine scratches from other plastic surfaces. Nowadays, modern car designs incorporate a lot of piano black surfaces throughout the cabin. It looks nice, but keeping it free of fingerprints and scratches will punish anyone with OCD. A quick polish using a dab of Headlight Restorer and AEA microfiber applicator pad restored those shiny piano black pieces to a like-new finish. Number 4. Meguiar's Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit. Meguiar's, known for its high-quality automotive detailing products, stepped up its game and announced the Meguiar's Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit, $30, last fall at the DAMS 2023 SEMA show. They provided us with a few kits so that we could test their new product away from the marketing hype. A few things set the Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit apart from its older product, the 2-step Headlight Restoration Kit. This one is an entirely new headlight coating that uses a different delivery system. Now, the protective layer and sealant are applied using a wipe saturated in the new formula. This method doesn't require a mask for aerosol overspray or the hassle of removing any overspray if it occurs. The second major step forward is incorporating a ceramic coating into the new formula. Theoretically, this provides enhanced defense against the harsh conditions encountered on the road throughout the seasons and longer times between touch-ups. Meguiar's claims their new proprietary ceramic sealant will last 18 months or better. However, some manufacturers' warranty supporting their assertions could be included. The Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit consists of 2 packets of Ultimate Sealant wipes, 1000 grit and 3000 grit 3-inch sanding discs, an easy grip pommel, and a pair of vinyl gloves. The pommel fits in the hand nicely and is made from a cushy material that is easy to grip. Other headlight restoration kits sometimes include yellow pommels made of hard plastic. The one included in the Meguiar's kit is a keeper in our humble opinion. While a power drill isn't required, the 3-inch diameter sanding discs will fit a disc pad holder drill attachment if you have one tucked away in a drawer somewhere. We scheduled a 2013 BMW X1 and a 2003 Lexus GX470 to work on side-by-side for one of our tryouts. The headlight lenses on our test subjects weren't too heavily oxidized or pitted by road debris. Removing the layers of haze manually wasn't a huge chore. The lenses were cleaned using a mild soap solution and dried thoroughly. After sanding to a smooth finish, since the wipes are heavily saturated with the sealant coating, one packet was enough to apply 2 layers to all the headlight lenses across the BMW and Lexus. Between coatings, we shoved the wipes back into the original packet while the first application was allowed to dry and cure for a few minutes. The results were fantastic, judging by the clarity we achieved after sanding and applying Meguiar's Ultimate Sealant. Now the front end looks fresh instead of worn and tired. Thoroughly testing the long-term protection capabilities of the Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit involves seeing how it holds up after a year or so of exposure. Something we can't comment on at the moment. Number 3. Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit. Taking full advantage of nanoceramic technology is the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit, $18, which makes the formulation durable and lasts much longer than other protective coatings. No power tools are required, but a cordless drill makes the restoration process much easier. The instructions outline 3 general steps for restoring your headlight's clarity to like-new condition. And Cerakote is willing to back up the ceramic coating's effectiveness as long as the purchaser owns the vehicle. What sets Cerakote apart from other headlight restoration kits is a professional-grade ceramic coating that bonds to the polycarbonate headlight lenses and lasts for years. Nano-ceramic formulations are used in ceramic coatings for automotive paint protection and ceramic window tints. These compounds are powerful and long-lasting because of their hardness properties, chemical inertness, and ability to block harmful UV rays. In the biomedical field, ceramic nanoparticles are considered excellent carriers for drugs, genes, proteins, and imaging agents. Don't be fooled by the 3 steps outlined on the box. A badly oxidized headlight lens requires progressively removing the layers of oxidation and smoothing the surface using P500 and 800 grit sanding discs. The ceramic coating wipes will eliminate the cloudiness. Those wipes also layer on a protective, UV-blocking ceramic coating. We restored the headlight lenses on a 2008 Honda Pilot parked outside full-time, unprotected from harsh Idaho winters and blazing summer heat. The oxidation wipes effectively removed the yellow layer that had built up over the years of sun exposure. Dry sanding using the 500 and 800 grit discs removed the imperfections and smoothed the surface, making it ready for the clear coat. Results were remarkable, and a 6-month checkup barely showed any signs of yellowing. This Cerakote kit includes 4 pairs of plastic gloves to protect your skin from touching the chemicals. The bundle also has 8 oxidation remover wipes, 1 ergonomic surface prep pad, and 4 surface prep discs. There are 2 pre-moistened ceramic headlight restoration wipes designed to restore and protect the clarity of your headlights. Observant. Shoppers will notice that Griot's Garage sells a similar product that produces the same results as Cerakote. The headlight restoration kit sold by Griot's is a rebranded Cerakote kit with a slightly better warranty that covers the vehicle's lifetime. Number 2. 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. This Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit from 3M, $19, includes almost everything you need to remove years of haze. The only things you need from your garage are a cordless drill, or DA orbital, plus an hour of your time. We removed years of oxidation from a 2012 Mazda 3, typically garaged at home. The owner had the headlight lenses cleaned up by the local dealership about 5 years prior, but the unforgiving sun brought back the cloudiness. Since this is a kit put together by 3M, they include a couple of indispensable materials. A small roll of their green automotive performance masking tape and a Trizact sanding disc. The remaining contents of the kit include several types of sanding discs, P200, 500, and P800, a disc pad holder drill attachment, a nitrile glove, and 3M Quick Headlight Clear Coat wipes. What makes the Trizact disc special is its 3D patterned, precise mineral structure, which delivers a fast cut and consistent finish. Equivalent to a 3000 grit sanding disc, it's used in the final step of polishing to remove abrasive marks and superfine scratches. The green automotive performance masking tape will stick even if it gets wet during the sanding process and doesn't leave behind a sticky residue. It also helps prevent accidental damage, so we always mask the area surrounding the headlights. As standard practice. Yes, it takes extra time, but it's the first line of defense if the spinning disc pad holder happens to touch the paint. During our process, the Mazda 3's lenses were sanded and polished until smooth but left with a cloudy haze. 2 coats of the 3M Quick Headlight. Clear coat were needed to restore clarity and achieve the best results. Bubbling of the liquid will occur if you apply too much with each swipe. Allow the first coat to dry before applying the second coat. Don't get disappointed if the first coat doesn't look brilliant, as the second pass will clean things up and restore the clarity to almost new. The Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit gave us professional-grade results and is easy enough for first-timers to use. Restoring a set of heavily oxidized lenses requires a little less effort than the Sylvania kit, which was the most labor-intensive of the kits tested. Thankfully, we won't have to repeat the process down the road if the warranty is an indication of how long the coating will last. Number 1. Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. If you prefer doing things the old-fashioned way, which requires some sweat equity, the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit, $25, comes with everything you need. This kit is ideal for folks who prefer to do projects by hand and see their headlights return to their former glory. It's also the best kit to get the job done. Inside the box, you'll find sandpaper, plastic gloves, and 2 types of paper towels. There's a surface activator that quickly removes the top layer of oxidation. You'll also see a polishing compound, masking tape, and a protective clear coating compound. Following the instructions will restore your headlights to a clear finish with lasting UV protection. The restoration process begins by spraying the surface activator onto the headlight to soften the plastic. This step is followed by progressively sanding and polishing out the haziness and scratches on the headlight lens. The last step is the application of the UV blocker coating, which will achieve clarity and make the lenses look almost new. Since this coating offers long-lasting UV protection, Sylvania guarantees a polished appearance for the vehicle's lifetime. After enduring 15 Idaho summers and winters, our tester's 2008 Honda Ridgeline headlights were heavily oxidized and cloudy. Following 90 minutes of manual labor, which included sanding and polishing, we applied the UV blocker. The clear coat brilliantly restored the clarity of the headlight to like-new condition, in addition to protecting the lens from future oxidation. This Sylvania kit only provides enough materials for 1 set of headlights, but the warranty lasts as long as the vehicle's life. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.